Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create Amazon affiliate store for free. So please watch till then to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Amazon, you can use our link in the description down below and you may get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So right here, you can just go to amazon.com and log into your account. And if you want to create an Amazon affiliate store, of course, you need to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. So you can just search on it and you will see it right here. As you can see, you can just click on it and you will be uh, as you can see, I already have an Amazon affiliate account, and if you click on this link, you can just you will just be redirected to the account creation page where you will need to input some of your personal information as well as your websites, and you can just go there and create your Amazon associate or affiliate account. And in order to know that you're already an Amazon associate, you can just look right here on the top part of the website. If you already see this bar right here, that means you're already an Amazon associate. And yes, that's it. So after you create your Amazon associate, you can just go to your whatever store you got, whether it's Shopify, Wix website, etc. But I know that if you use Amazon Associate to either of those two website, I think you need to pay. But if you want to create an Amazon affiliate store for free, you can just go to this application right here. Hit.go. Hit.go. So this application is also a website or store uh, creating platform. So if you want to sell some products through your Amazon store or through your Amazon affiliate store, you can just use this one. So if you want, you can just sign up for an account, sign up with your email. So right here, as you can see, I already created my kit.co account. And if I want to edit my profile, I can just go view my profile. So this is where I will input all of my kits from for example, whatever I sell on Amazon. I can just input them right here through Amazon affiliate uh, account. So now I'm just going to edit my profile first. So I'm just going to enter my information, and yes, that's it. I can add a cover image if I want. That's it. Apply. So after I'm done with this, I can just add my first kit right here. I can just create a kit, and first I need to name my kit first. Since for example I'm selling clothes, right, from the Amazon. So clothes or t-shirts. Okay, let's say t-shirts. So now, for example, let's say t-shirts. So let's leave it right here since we're going to use this products right here. So now let's name this for the sake of the tutorial. Let's name this kit clothes, and I can just add a description of my products. But for now, I will leave it right as it is. So I'm just going to select the product or paste in the link. So this is where the Amazon affiliate links will play. So I can just go to my Amazon store, click one of the products I want to sell through kit.co, for example, this one, and right here I can get a link of this. So as you can see, I need the full link for this one, not a short link. So after that, I can just copy the link, copy it, and paste it right here. Click enter. And right here, as you can see, the picture itself will be inserted, all of the pictures right here from the Amazon. will be inserted too. And it's up to me if I want what I want, and it's up to me what picture I want to use. But yeah, that's it. So what the story of this product, for example, just also can add a description for this product right here. So t-shirt, bundle, yeah, blah blah blah. And after I'm done, I can just add it to my kit right here. So now, as you can see, I added a product to my kit.co. I can share it now to Twitter or share it later. So I'm just going to share it later. So now I'm all set. So as you can see, I already added first of my product from Amazon without paying, since if you use Shopify, and if you want to, add your products from Amazon to Shopify, I think you need to have an a premium subscription. Same thing with Wix, but here in Kit.co, it's free. You can just get your Amazon affiliate link and paste it right here, and it will be added. And now, some of my customers right here on Kit can just buy my product and visit my store, for example, and buy my product directly on Amazon. So that's it. That's how you use Amazon affiliate program. And if you have, you can just edit this kit or add more products or share this kit to share the copy itself, the link through your other social media accounts. But yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. So if I want to add more products, same thing will be done again. Just going to find some products that I want to sell or that I'm selling. So right here, again, get link, the full link, copy it, paste it right here, and add it to your kit. That's it. That's it. Yeah, it's pretty much easy. No premium subscription, no payment, just a link, and you're good to go. And if you want, I can just add some video or photo from my device, and it's up to me. So for example, I'm just going to add a picture of one of my products right here. As you can see, you can just click apply, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's how you can do it. You can just go to some some creators right here on kit.co, and you can just go to their page, and if you want, you can use this templates, or you can copy their templates if you want to make your kit much better. And that's all I get from now. And that's it. That's how you can use Amazon, or that's how you can set up your Amazon affiliate store without payment, for free. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.